I want to show you a cool project that I've been working on today. I had this idea for a while now, and then today I just put it together. I'm pretty excited. So this is a piece of it's a 1x3 wood, spray painted, and then here's our Barnabas noggin. We got a breadboard here. You'll see we got buzzer, resistor, and then I made these two. These are medicine cups, clear ones. I just put red cellophane, and inside there's some bright LEDs. The reason that I did that is I kind of wanted to mimic this kind of big LED, but didn't want to pay for a big LED, so here we go. These tubes here are actually paper towel rolls spray painted with silver spray paint. Button here, some cool wiring. Okay, so what's the point of this? All right, so sometimes in our class we have competitions where, you know, we ask like Jeopardy style questions, and then it's kind of hard for a teacher to discern, okay, who raised their hand first, right? So we're always like, oh, okay, I think it's you, or I think it's you. So what if we made one a buzzer system using Arduino? And so what I've done here is I have one button hooked up to one input, the other button here hooked up to the other input, and it's using something called interrupts so that it can actually know via hardware which one actually buzzed first, and then or press first, and then once you press it, the light will turn on. All right, so check this out. So I have it powered on with this 9-volt. See, so this one will blink because I pressed it. And then it blinks for a little bit, and then it'll stop. So, and then this one can go. So now we'll know who got the answer first, or who wants the answer first. See, I'll kind of do it at the same time. See, and then once it goes, you can't. This side can't trigger. And it's all built via hardware, so it's a lot more accurate than a teacher trying to figure out, okay, who went first. So there you go. I'm going to put some instructions up with code and stuff. Might be a fun project. So if you guys want to try it out, let me know. All right, that's it for now.